Hey, so if you're trying to log into websites in Zen Browser but the login page won't load, keeps refreshing, or just won't accept your credentials, yeah, this is usually caused by cookies, extensions, or network settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser login problems step by step. All right, first, refresh the login page and try again because sometimes sessions fail to load properly. Make sure your internet connection is stable before trying to log in again. Corrupted cookies are one of the most common reasons login pages fail or loop endlessly. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can block login scripts. Now try logging and using a private window to see if extensions or cached data are the issue. Make sure cookies are enabled because many login systems require them to work properly. VPNs or proxy connections can sometimes block or confuse login authentication. Make sure Zen Browser is fully updated because older versions may have login compatibility issues. If nothing works, reinstall Zen Browser to reset corrupted browser settings. And yeah, that's it. One of these fixes should get your login pages working again in Zen Browser without issues.